Namaste, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Come to learn, but stay to be inspired. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new Gabor style. It's in their Essentials line, and this one is called Notion in the color light red. We're going to take it straight from the box and fix it up. We're going to talk along the way about what makes this particular line very unique coming up. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One, so I could review it before you buy it. Today we're going to take a look at Notion. You can find it at Wig Studio One. All you have to do is drop below the video and expand the description box. I will attach a direct product link there. It'll be labeled Find Gabor's Notion at Wig Studio One. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. All right, so let's get to it. Let's go ahead and unbox Notion. This is the packaging that comes with the Essentials line by Gabor. What you're going to notice with the Essentials line, that it's an affordable line, but it's also known for its comfort. Most of these caps are going to be very stretchy and open caps, so you won't find lace and monofilament in this particular line. If you enjoy lines like the Toni Bratton or the hairdo line, I think you're really going to like this one as well. We're going to assess the fit on this line as well, because I really don't know if it runs a little stretchy and large like the typical Gabor does on me. So we're going to check it out. And then also you receive a little nylon wig cap there. Okay. All the packaging seems to be really nice. And you'll notice that on the Toni Bratton and the hairdo line, their packaging is very minimal, very basic. So this has a full sturdy box with all of the fixins. Okay. So I'm going to check it out and then remove the tag and we'll get started. So this is a completely open cap. You do have a nice velvet piece at the front. I really like that. It delivers a nice comfortable feel right at the front. It also includes a hidden weft right at the front as well. And even though it's not lace, it does give a much more natural hairline than if it just went straight back into the cap without something there to disguise it. Open wefts on the top, sides, and back. You'll find an open ear tab and with some nice sturdy stays there. Lots of fiber sewn into that ear tab. I'm expecting some really good coverage from that. You have a standard nape with Velcro style adjusters. I like the fact that they're using Velcro as opposed to the strap adjusters. That makes it really something special. This is a substantial cap too, so it's not an ultra thin cap. Okay, great. So this is the color. Wow, that's really pretty. It's called light red. You're going to see a medium red brown and then mixed in there some medium and some light gold blonde highlighting. So this is a warm color, but it is not rooted. It's highlighted, but not rooted. So what I want to do is try this on just to give you an assessment of the fit. You're going to see what it looks like right from the box, but then I'm going to remove it, make any necessary adjustments, and then we're going to talk about how to fix this open cap style so that it looks more natural. So let's go ahead and put it on. Did not make any adjustments. Okay, so this fit, the fit is quite average actually. I don't feel like it has as much room or as much stretch as the traditional Gabor, but I am gonna have to make an adjustment to accommodate my petite average circumference. So to me, it just feels like it's completely average right out of the box. Okay, so let me make an adjustment. This cap is really nice though. I mean, you feel it. It's got a good quality feeling to it for sure. Okay, so you all know the first thing that I do is shake it and rake it. That's the only way that you're gonna wake up this fiber enough to realize the potential of the style. Not to mention it just looks more natural because you're setting the fiber free and it can move a little more independently, and you know, if a breeze catches it or something, it doesn't look stiff. And what you need to know about this is the heat-friendly fiber. So you can take some heat tools to this fiber. Okay. It's a cute little style. I really like something with the fringe there. So while I wake this up, the other feature to this style line is the fact that it is affordable. I think before any discounts are applied, if you happen to catch a sale on this line, is around $139. So you just can't beat that. In today's world where everything is going up, this is an affordable little option. So if you have a style like this in your wig lineup that has monofilament and lace, this might be a good everyday sister style to that. Okay, let's reapply after I've made those adjustments. Okay, perfect. That feels perfect. And do you notice the fluffiness and wispiness of the fiber now that I've woken it up? I shake it to wake it. All right, so the next thing I want to do is sort of get into that parting space and lift the fiber up and away from the bed of permatease. So I just like to use a wide tooth comb. This is a goodie comb. I purchased this maybe 20 years ago. So I just dig down into that layer of permatease right at the base of the cap, and I gently lift those fibers up and around that part. It's just going to make sure that the fiber is stretched over that part so you can't see down into the permatease layer. So that did a pretty good job. The other thing you want to do is just take your fingers and just sort of pick. These are my picking and fluffing fingers. Another way to make it look a little more wispy, shake it awake, and then you can start to realize the full potential of this style. Has anyone seen the hairdo's angled cut? This kind of reminds me of that. So this style is a cute little layered pixie style cut with a beautiful fringe. That fringe is around 6 inches. You'll also find a 6-inch layer at the crown. So that gives you a little bit of height, but it also gives you some face framing effect, which I really love. That's the ultimate in anti-aging. That you have something, a little something around the face. Now, because this is an open cap, you don't have to part it the way it came, which is essentially just a little left of center. You can part it in any direction you want. You can create some asymmetry. You can bring out the texture. Just a lot you can do with this. Now, in the back, there's about a 1.5 inch nape. So the nape seems to work really well for me. All I have to do is kind of scoop it towards the ear to make sure all the wig lines are obscured. And isn't it cute with the little turtleneck? I think it's because it has such a beautiful cut to it, a beautiful angle. And again, this open cap design, it has a lot of permatease, as you would expect. Now, the permatease itself is very compacted to that cap. So it's not the type of permatease that you're going to get gobs of sustainable volume from it. Really, you just want to make sure that it's all obscured, and it gives you a little bit of permanent lift. It holds the style, it covers the wefting, but it's not overdone. As you can imagine, it's really lightweight. It only weighs about 2.6 ounces. So to summarize this Gabor Essentials line, it's meant to be affordable, yet very comfortable, your everyday kind of wig style. So I think there are a lot of styles in that line that you may really enjoy having in your wig wardrobe. There's a limited color palette, I think, so anywhere from light blonde, dark blonde, light brown, dark brown, and red, and I think there may be a gray there as well. Be sure to check it out in the links below. So I'll take you outside. We'll do a quick look at this color in outdoor light, and then we'll do some styling for Notion. So let's try with glasses. That's always a big concern, is that, you know, how well are my glasses going to work with a style like this? It works beautifully. The glasses fit nicely between the ear and the ear tab on this style, and it just fits very securely and comfortably. This will be a nice glasses friendly style. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this hair around for you so that you can get an idea of what this little wig style can do. Hopefully it inspires you to style your own wigs. I hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon right here on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.